Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. Before we get started, I just wanted to shout out to my current subscribers and say thank you guys so much again. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys, all the likes, thumbs up, everybody who's subscribed to the channel that's been following me. You guys are really the ones that make this world go round for us here on YouTube, and we couldn't do it without you, so I just wanted to shout out and say thank you guys again so much. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider that. If you do like to see watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here on Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and at my website, themselves.To, where I showcase all of the watches that I have reviewed here on YouTube and Rumble. And I do provide affiliate links for all these watches. So if you do like the watch that you see being reviewed, you can click on that affiliate link and head on over and pick it up. That affiliate link does provide a couple of dollars from each sale. It doesn't cost you anything more. The price is what the price is, but it does send a dollar or two for commission over to me if you decide to use that affiliate link, and that is very much appreciated. So please consider liking and subscribing, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here. Let's get into this one. Today we have a Pagani design. I just did an unboxing of this watch yesterday, and I just wanted to get into it a little bit deeper. This watch, I received this watch just the other day, and it is a beautiful Pagani design. If you know anything about my channel, you've seen the Pagani design watches are very, very, very good value for the money. They are a good budget-friendly watch that does come with a lot of value and high specs. So let's get into this one. This is the Pagani Design PD 1667 TY. Okay, so this is it's a beautiful nautical looking watch. It is a sapphire crystal on this thing. It is an automatic with the exhibition case. Wonderful looking watch. Let's get a good close-up of that. So this watch is actually a stainless steel construction on this thing, and it's got a nice tight rotating bezel. Wonderful feel to this bezel, and it doesn't really lose any time at all. It's a very tight bezel, so you're not going to have any play in that bezel. It does have the sweeping second hand and the date window. That's the actual sticker on the front saying Sapphire. Let's get that off for you. But it is a wonderful watch. It has this unique clasp system on it, which I have not yet seen on a watch. You press the sides in, and it opens it up. I still have some of the plastic on it. You adjust it by selecting which hole you want it to adjust into, and let's put it on for you here. Looks like it locks right in. You just snap it right into place. It is an amazingly comfortable wear on this watch. That band. This band is a it looks like a stitched silicone. It has a silicone, but it's also got the stitching on it. So the stitching isn't pressed into the silicone. It's actually stitched in, so that's threading. Wonderful feel on this watch. It's even got the raised parts inside for more comfort as far as for sweating is concerned and things like that. It does feel very, very comfortable and ventilated when you have it on your wrist. But I really love the bright white face on this. It's a very, very nice look to this watch, and it's very, like I said, very nautical looking. And that bezel is just amazing. These Pagani designs are really, really, really great quality for the money. I mean, this has an automatic NH35A Seiko movement with the exhibition case. It also has 100 millimeters of water resistance. One of the other good things about this watch is it does come with a band, an alternate band. This is the nylon canvas band that you can actually switch out, which would make this look even more nautical. Like I said before, these Pagani designs are really, really specced out for the price. Right now, this watch is somewhere in the neighborhood of $100 on Amazon. And I think right now there's also a 10% off coupon. So if you guys want to head on over right now, while that coupon is still active, I would definitely recommend that. You can pick one of these guys up and have it within a couple of days on Amazon. And once again, I always say with Amazon, you just can't beat their return policy. I mean, if you get this thing and you don't like it, there's usually no hassles to return these. I always like to mention that Amazon has one of the best return policies in the business, if not the best return policy and customer satisfaction of all the companies. So you're pretty much risk free when you buy something on Amazon. So I will post a link to this in the description below. And like I said before, they are affiliate links. So they do send a couple of dollars over to me, but your price is still going to be the same. You're not paying any extra to use that affiliate link. That will just bring you over, and I will get a percentage of the commission from the sale. But yes, once again, it's a Pagani Design PD 1667 TY automatic self-winding with the exhibition case, bubble sapphire crystal on this thing. Very, very nice looking watch. Very well constructed stainless steel construction on this thing with the date format, interchangeable wristbands, very unique clasping on this thing with the signature on the clasp on the buckle. It's just I've never seen this. It's just got a nice milled clasp with the I've just never seen one like this. This is a very nice. If anybody knows what kind of clasp this is, please put that in the description below, because I've never seen anything like this. It's just a really unique clasping mechanism, which I have, like I said, I have not seen. But the thing I do like about it, once again, is it does have this silicone band, but it's also stitched, and the stitching is not fake. That's one thing I really do like about it, is the stitching is actually, let's see if we can get a really good shot of that. The stitching is actually real thread. Like I said, I really do like that they put that detail. I mean, they even go as far as to put their logo on the winding crown itself. The Pagani Design logo is right there on the winding crown. But like I said, you do get a lot of spec for the price on these Pagani Design watches. And once again, just wanted to say, if you do like this content, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe so I can keep these watch videos coming to you. And I will post the link to this in the description below so you guys can pick this up. And if you do have any more questions about this watch or any of my other watches, just let me know in the comments section below. I do respond to comments. And if you want to check out some of the other watches that I've reviewed, head on over to themselves.To, where you can see some of the other watches I've reviewed and pick those up as well if you're interested. But with that said, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you like that, please do give the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com. So until next time, I am Dave the Watchman, and I am out of here. You guys have a great day today.